Hey friends, thank you so very much for looking at my videos. I really appreciate it because when you look at my videos and you appreciate them, you simply go to the bottom of the video and you click on thanks. See that? And donate $1, $2, whatever you want. Your donations help me to buy cameras and equipment so that I can share with you videos like this. Now let's talk about this camera. This is the Panasonic Lumix FZ80, and I think it's a great little camera. This was shot through my kitchen window at a bird feeder, an old bird feeder, and that's because the camera has a 20mm to 1200mm equivalency, and it's incredible. I tell you, if you want to shoot wildlife and you can't afford the high price spread cameras, I would recommend this little camera. When you go to my website, Microdac.com, and you scroll all the way to the bottom to the Amazon link, and you buy it through my link, you're actually donating to me. And now, drum roll, ready for this? Wow. Shot with the same camera. That's right, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80. And the sound you hear, this sound was recorded on the camera itself. So there you have it. As for still photos, you can have JPEG or RAW, and aperture priority, shutter priority, program, manual. It's 18 megapixels, which is not bad for a camera that costs less than $300. So there you have it. There you have it. And if you'd like to buy this camera, sure, buy it from my site, www.microdac.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the Amazon link, and for less than $300, it is yours. Thank you so very much for your support. I really, really appreciate it.